Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are not having any high impact news into the market today. Rather, we are having a bank holiday. So most likely the price can be choppy today. So possibly uh, only the smaller time frames trade will be okay. And apart from that, I won't be trading for the higher and bigger targets. So this is the monthly chart, and what we can see is that the price had swept the swing high of the monthly level, and we are in this range. So let's move to weekly to see what is happening inside that candle. So this is the weekly candle. Sorry, this is the weekly candle. I mean weekly chart, and the price had moved into the upside direction, and currently we are here, and the price is sweeping the here we go sweeping the previous week's low and moving into the upside direction, though we are having an FVG here too. So let's move to the dailies to see what is within this range. Now this is the daily chart, and what we can see is that this is the weekly sweep of the market, and I mean weekly sweep of the candle, and the price is moving into the upside direction. This is the weekly FVG, and this area, I mean this particular zone, had formed some kind of a flip into the market if we are going to go into the upside direction. So if we are going to get a reaction within this range, most likely we are going to continue our journey into the upside direction, else we will be moving into the downward direction, taking all the equal lows sitting into the downward direction. So for now, this is a strong zone for me. So let's move to the 4 hours now. Now this is the 4-hour chart, and we can see that we are having this small flip zone kind of a structure, and the price moved into the downward direction, and currently we are also sweeping the lows into the 4 hours, and the price is moving into the upside direction, though we are having FVG over here. So if we are going to disrespect it, most likely I'll be anticipating that the price is reluctant to go into the downward direction and going to go into the upside direction. So let's move to the 1 hours to see. Firstly, I'll be marking this FVG of the 4 hours. Okay, let's zoom it a bit. There we go. Now that this FVG has been marked, let's move to the 1 hours. Now this is the 1 hour chart, and we are also having FVG over here, and the price is moving into the upside direction, respecting this FVG at this zone. That means that the price is having a bullish pressure into the market. So now that we are moving into the upside direction, and if this FVG is disrespected by the market, we can possibly go into the higher direction to take these equal highs sitting into the market. Let's market. Okay, so let's see how the price is reacting into the smaller time frames. So this is the 30-minute chart, and that FVG is kind of a flip zone structure in the current scenario. So I'm anticipating that if the price is going to break this candle's high, most likely we are going to move into the upside direction to take these equal highs. And if we get a reluctance over this zone, that means in the London session, if this FVG acts as a resistance into the market, most likely we are going to continue our journey into the downward direction. So for now, we are having mindset that if this high of the candle is respected by the market, most likely we are going to continue our journey into the downward direction, taking the Asia high and moving into the downward direction, and the AVG will be respected. And if this high is breached by the market, most likely we are going to continue our journey into the higher direction towards the equal highs over here. So let's move to the 15 minutes to see a detailed picture. So in the 15 minutes, we can see that the price is sweeping the lows over here too and moved into the upside direction with a really strong formation, and we are moving into the upside direction. So if the price is going to breach this high over here too, then possibly we are going to go into the upside direction. Else, we are going to sweep the Asia high, respect the FVG of all those FVG confluences, and we are going to move into the downward direction. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.